Have you ever noticed whenever you feel hungry, your stomach starts making sounds? This sound isn't random. Inside our body, food doesn't move normally. It moves through muscle contractions, called pressure movements. These contractions happen in the stomach and intestines, and that movement creates the growling sound. This process actually goes on for 24 hours, but when your stomach has food, the sound gets suppressed. When the stomach is empty, it only has air and liquid. So when the stomach and intestines move, the sound becomes louder. That's why your stomach growls the most when you're hungry. Don't forget to like and subscribe